Hi friends, today I have come up with a unique topic which most of us want to explore, the DNA of abundance. What is abundance? There are so many ways abundance can come into our lives. When you think of abundance, what do you think of? Do you think of what is missing from your life? Or do you think of abundance in terms of what you own? This would include the obvious such as income and bank account, but it also includes such things as free time, good health, fulfilling work and hobbies, vacation time, skills and talents. But what about your inner space? Your inner space includes happiness, fulfillment, love, contentment, satisfaction, security, a sense of purpose, and your spiritual life and emotional state. The question is, how do you attain all the inner and outer abundance? The first section of abundance DNA is a personality quiz, which will help us identify what personality, what genes are we carrying about money, prosperity, abundance in your life. This is like a rapid fire question. Take your notebook and pen ready. I am going to read out 90 statements. You just write down the statements which resonates with you. So if the first statements resonate with you, you will write down 1. After that, if the 10th statement resonates with you, you'll write down number 10 and likewise. So take a moment and keep your diary and your pen ready. You can pause this here, and when you are ready, you can release the pause. So let's begin. The first statement is, I love to help others reach their money goals. If this statement resonates with you, just write down number 1. I love to share my money achievements with others. This is number 2. I like time to think money issues over. 4. I enjoy being competitive and ambitious about money. 5. If I had 1 lakh, I would put it in my saving account and not spend it. 6. I often put others' money needs before my own. 7. I am comfortable in stimulating money environments. 8. I keep my money neat and orderly. 9. If I had 1 lakh, I would invest it to make a huge profit. 10. I am cautious and sensible around money. 11. I enjoy supporting others with money. 12. If I had 1 lakh, I would spend it on things I really want. 13. I am comfortable with money conflict or pressure. 14. I am in control of my money and the way I do things. 15. I keep my feelings and thoughts of money to myself. 16. I am agreeable and accommodating when it comes to money matters. 17. I do not worry about the future and money. 18. I like to be the first when it comes to new money ventures. 19. I love the logical and analytical system that involve money. 20. If I had 1 lakh, I would put off decisions on what to do with it. 21. I enjoy settling disputes around money. 22. I enjoy getting what I want when it comes to money. 23. I appreciate being thought of as meticulous and discriminating with money. 24. My goal around money is to make as much as quickly as possible. 25. I am content on being anonymous on money issues. 26. I create relaxed and comfortable environment where others can solve money issues. 27. My goal around money is to make sure I have enough of trips, cars and boats. 28. I work well and efficiently when there are goals and guidelines around money. 29. I act with assurance and confidence in money decisions. 30. I am careful what I reveal to others about money. 31. I hope I have enough money to take care of unexpected expenses. 32. I often spend more money than I make. 33. I would rather save money than spend it. 34. I like spending money as long as I am making it at the same time. 35. I would rather focus on the big picture than a laser focus on money. 36. I lend money than worry about getting it back. 37. I like to share money and do not worry when I will get it back. 38. No one ever asks me to lend them money. 39. If I lend money, I expect to get it back immediately. 40. I do not lend money. 41. I am diplomatic and tactful when talking about money. 42. I can be completely open and exposed when it comes to my money. 43. I am systematic and methodical with money. 44. I am comfortable leading and directing others with money. 45. I have a visionary when it comes to money. 46. A big increase in earning would make me uncomfortable. 47. I do not believe I can increase my yearly income more than 50,000. 48. If I had a choice of increasing my yearly income by 10,000 or 1 lakh, it would be fine. 49. I know I can increase my yearly income by even 1 lakh. 50. I could use more money but I have no idea of what I want. 51. An expensive item out of my budget makes me uncomfortable, so I forget about it. 52. I will spend more than I should to get what I want. 53. If I cannot afford it, I will accept that I do not need it. 54. I will figure out a way, no matter the cost, to get what I want. 55. If an item is not in my budget, I do not even look at it. 56. If I won the lottery, I would feel too guilty about the world hunger. 57. If I won the lottery, I would be vividly excited and start spending it. 58. If I won the lottery, the first thing I would look into how to invest and leverage the money. 59. If I won the lottery, the first thing I would do is find a way to double my money. 60. If I won the lottery, I would too be overwhelmed to act. 61. I have deep loyalty to others and money. 62. I have great spontaneity and excitement around money. 63. I ask a lot of questions before I spend my money. 64. I am willing to take a lot of risk with my money. 65. I tend to be introspective around money. 66. I like others to need me when it comes to money. 67. I am easily bored with details of money plan. 68. I like my money to be orderly. 69. I am direct, right to the point when it comes to money. 70. I do not share the money. 71. I have great sympathy for those who mishandle money. 72. I do not like to be criticized or judged about how I spend money. 73. I feel more comfortable when others follow traditional money procedure. 74. I openly discuss what needs to be done when it concerns money. 75. I hesitate to give my viewpoint on money for fear of rejection. 76. I am a peacemaker in money issues. 77. I feel others have high expectations from me and money which causes pressure. 78. I need systematic approach to solving money issues. 79. I am comfortable with conflict and pressure around money. 80. Others would say that I see the whole picture when it comes to money. 81. I worry about money and security all the time. 82. I am impatient when it comes to money. 83. I live money affair of other people alone. 84. I think of my feet around money. 85. I am uncomfortable with emotions and money. 86. I often feel unsupported when it comes to money. 87. I have a fear of public humiliation around money. 88. I like to observe the before jumping right into financial situations. 89. I like a money challenge. 90. And the last, I take money more seriously than others do. Just share your numbers which resonates with me. To know whether you are a caretaker, whether you are a magnet for money, whether you are a guardian to money, whether you are a powerhouse for money, or whether you are a visionary in terms of money. Now this personality comes from our DNA, and if we are aware of this personality, we can enhance and attract abundance in our life. The universe responds to your frequency. It does not recognize your personal desires, wants, or need. It only understands the frequency in which you are vibrating. For example, if you are vibrating in the frequency of fear, guilt, or shame, you are going to attract things of a similar vibration to support that frequency. But if you are vibrating in the frequency of love, joy, and abundance, you are going to attract things to support that frequency. It is like tuning into a radio station. You have to be tuned into the radio station you want to listen to, just like you have to be tuned into the energy you want to manifest in your life. So all those who are expecting abundance in your life and you feel you are stuck, this free quiz I'm offering just for you. The actual cost of Abundance DNA is 21,000. But here, even if you are aware of your personality, you will be able to attract the abundance. And yes, of course, later you can come and take the benefit of DNA Abundance Therapy. Share your personality quiz answers on my WhatsApp number 98202 50409 and avail the personalized detailed understanding of what personality you are carrying from your genes, from your DNA, and how to change it free of cost. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.